Hi, so today we'll be going through the topic living together in science. So this is under the interactions of your science, upper block science. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So there are some physical characteristics of an environment that you will need to know. So first of all, light, whether there is a lot of light or whether there is very little light. So some animals prefer a lot, some animals prefer very little. The other thing is water, so same thing. Some animals prefer very damp places, some animals prefer very dry places. So the last one is temperature. Some animals prefer cool, some animals prefer very warm places. So let's take a look at this example. Animal P prefers the following conditions in the surrounding in the following order. Prefers most, prefers least. So let's look at this. So prefers most bright and dry, prefers least dark and damp. And it goes down. So the first thing you need to know is to notice that it prefers bright places more than dark places. And if you notice, the amount of water in the environment doesn't really affect it that much. So the preference is more for the amount of light in an environment. So bright is more important than dark. So let's look at the question. So in the question, the graph below shows the number of animal P found in different locations, A, B, C, and D in a garden. So number of animal P over here, location over here. So the first thing you need to realize is the most and the least. So this is the least and this is the most. Alright, so therefore, you need to look at what it prefers the most, which is bright and dry. So this is bright and dry. And you need to realize that it prefers least dark and damp, so therefore this is dark and damp. So let's take a look at the answers. Based on the above information, which one of the following statements is definitely correct? So look at number one. Location B is most likely dark and dry. So location B is here, is most likely to be bright and dry. So therefore this statement is false. The likely location condition for location C is dark and damp. So location C is what it prefers the least, and it's likely to be dark and damp. So that's true. Location D has the least preferred conditions for animal P. So location D has the least preferred conditions is not true because location C is the least preferred. So therefore this is false. And animal P most likely belongs to the leaf litter community. So it likes location B, which is bright and dry. But a leaf litter is dark and damp. So therefore this is false. If you look at the answers, false, true, false, false, definitely correct. So the answer is number 2.